Hello and welcome to another quality of life add-ons demo. This add-on being FrameFlipper, which gives you an extra 5 buttons on your timeline. This allows you to flip between any 2 given frames, which you can set yourself either by dragging on the timeline and setting A and B, and there you can flip between the 2 of them, or you can type in either of the boxes. And again, just flip backwards and forwards so you can compare at any one point. This doesn't actually change the animation, but it does allow you to preview where things are going to be at any given frames. Why would you want that, you might ask? Well, often it's difficult to gauge where things are going to be at a later frame, and by the time you've scrubbed it, often you've mentally lost place of where things are a little bit. So it's nice to be able to edit, switch and change on the fly and do these comparisons and make sure that everything lines up exactly as you'd like to before committing properly. The flip button, while you see me clicking it here, it can also be added to a shortcut, and it just makes life a lot easier for viewing that sort of thing. It's really quite simple, and I hope you like it. And with that, thank you. Bye for now.